Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install Arknights Endfield game on PC. So without wasting any time, here follow the steps. So first of all, open the Epic Games Launcher. Now if you don't have Epic Games Launcher installed on your PC, then open Chrome and in Chrome search for download Epic Games. Then click on this link, download the Epic Games Launcher. And then you can click on install on Windows. And once this Epic installer get downloaded, then click on it and install the Epic Games Launcher. And after the Epic Games Launcher get installed on your PC, create an account and then log into your account. And then open the Epic Games Launcher and in the search store, search for Arknights Endfield. Click on this base game, Arknights Endfield. This will open this page and here you will see this game is completely free. So click on this get button. Just wait, your order is loading. And then click on place order. Just wait. It is processing your order. And then you will see this view in library button. So click on this view in library. And then you can see Arknights Endfield game has been added to your library. So now click on install. And then again click on install. Click yes to allow. And here you can see Arknights Endfield game is getting installed on my PC. You can also click on this arrow icon. And here you can see the Arknights Endfield game has been installed successfully on my PC. So by following these steps, you can easily download and install Arknights Endfield game on your PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.